down like that. Distract, compress, distract, compress, distract, compress. Internally rotate. When you come in like that, you're internally rotating the femur. So internal rotation, push your leg that way. 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. And take him into a little hip flexion and internal rotation. Or you can externally rotate, not as easy, but you can externally rotate. Hip flexion, external rotation, internal rotation, hip flexion, internal rotation, etc. So that's done technically. Basically what you want to do is you want to leave the anterior ilium distracted. I come in, and the key thing to making this thing work is don't get way out here on your arm, you know. Get way under like this so you have some leverage. And so then it's just you've got to go in this angle, the plane of the sacroiliac joint. And so you're going posteriorly rotating that ilium and then dragging it along this angle right here. Okay, pull that hip back or hip hike. He's just firing his quadratus lumborum. Hip hiking. 3, 4, 5, and relax. And pull hip, hip. 2, 3, 4, 5. Jostle the joints like that. The jostle.